Yeah, we all been doing now. Wonder what I'm doing now. I'm thinking.
Welcome back to my channel, and I'm going to be showing you guys how I use this Real Techniques by Sam and Nick. This is the brush cleansing palette for fast and easy brush cleaning. I'm going to be using this because I got this from Marshalls and it cost me about $5.99, and I think this is like quick and easy and affordable for myself because I'm always doing social media things, always promoting on social media, and sometimes I just don't have the time to clean out my brushes. So we'll see how this goes. So right now I'm going to be showing you guys my brushes, and these are the Real Tech. These are not Real Techniques, but this is like the It's My Ray brushes from BH Cosmetics. I have my Wet n Wild brushes, all of them in order, just to give you guys an idea of what I'll be doing. Because as a makeup artist, it is very important for me to have a clean canvas as far as my face is concerned when I be posting pics on Instagram, Twitter, Facebook, all of that. And I just want to give you guys a quick look at this so you can see how I do in an affordable way. And I used to use Dawn and cooking oil, but we'll see how this will work. Okay guys, so right now what I'm doing is I'm running warm water. So while that's running, I'm going to be using this brush cleansing gel, and the instructions tell me to add this gel into the brush palette. This actually has 2 packs that come with it, and I'm going to be using warm water for this. Okay. Next, I'm going to take my brush and I'm just going to slowly, oh my gosh, that is awesome, and just clean my brush. Oops. I'm just doing like a little bit of this so you guys can get like a preview because I don't want to spill everywhere. But yeah. And this is like literally cleaning my brushes. Look at that. That is like so freaking, see it up close. And this is what's gonna like clean it. Oh wow, that is like perfection. I'm gonna do one more brush so you guys can actually get a general idea. And then this part is actually for the small brushes, if you can see. And you're just gonna brush it slightly all over, basically, so it can like really clean that brush thoroughly. And I'm gonna rinse it. Look at that. That is beautiful. Like, that is awesome. And I got this from Marshalls and it was like $5.99. And it actually has instructions on the back. Also the brushes, with the crosses on where to use the brushes and how to use. This is the final result of using the Real Techniques by Sam and Nick makeup brush cleaning palette. Oh my gosh, when I tell you that this stuff works, it works. Like, it freaking works. It even works on sponges. So if you're thinking about purchasing, you can get it from Marshalls, or you can probably purchase it on Amazon. I don't know if Amazon has it, but I will definitely find a link for you guys to purchase it below if you're thinking about purchasing it online. But this is the result of my sponges by using this Real Techniques. I mean, this stuff is really, really good, guys. This is how clean my brushes are. No residue. These are just like I bought them. I bought them like this, and they will literally have your brushes just like brand new when you first bought it. Like, the bristles are just gorgeous. So I hope you guys enjoyed this video. I will definitely see you soon. Let me know in the comments what you would like to see next, and stay tuned.